Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna check out how to use Cash App Boost. Alright, Cash App Boost is a reward program that offers discounts and rewards at participating merchants. So you want to take advantage of this video is for you. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Getting right into it, the first thing you want to do is to open your Cash App mobile app, and then tap the card tab, tap Boost, and then browse available boost offers. All right, then select the boost offer you want to use, tap add boost to add the offer to your Cash App card, and use your Cash App card to make a purchase at the participating merchant. Once you're done, you receive the discount or reward instantly. All right, pretty simple and straightforward, no hassle. You got to take note that there are three types of boost offers. The first is the percentage discounts. So you receive a percentage discount on purchases. For the dollar discount, you receive a fixed dollar amount discount on purchases, and for free items, you receive free items with purchases. So those are the types of boost offers you got available, and but any one of them, it's a good deal. So you got to take note of the participating merchants. You can use that in coffee shops like Starbucks, Dunkin' and Donuts, and more. You can use that at Chick-fil-A, Taco Bells, and more, or retail stores like Walmart, Target, and all that. So you got to make sure those merchant stores are parts of the offer before you can use that. But you don't got to worry, just go through the app and you'll be able to see the participating stores and all. So of course there are certain limitations. Now the first is limited time offers. So boost offers are available for a limited time. Now these kind of offers, you got to use them while they're hot. Once their time is up, they're pretty much gone. Of course, you also got location restrictions. Some boost offers may only be available at specific locations. So the boost offer for Walmart might not apply to Target or something, something like that. So you got to make sure you use the right boost for the right merchant location. And of course, some boost offers may require a minimum purchase amount. So you might be able to get a 10% discount, but probably that 10% discount is when you spend up to maybe about $500 or like $400 or something. You got to make sure you meet that target before you be able to enjoy that benefit. So that's all you need to know. Of course, I got three tips for you guys. You got to make sure you check out the boost offers regularly, because new boost ads regularly, so you stay up to date on that to get more. And you can also stack boost offers, so you can combine boost offers with other discount or rewards for an even bigger boost. All right, so you could use boost offers with Cash App cards. So boost offers are only available when using the Cash App card, so you got to take note of that. You can't use it with any other means, just the Cash App card. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you liked that video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video, comments down below, let me know what you thought about it, and of course share the video with your friends. And for those who haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, because we need your subscriptions. Those help us out a lot. And of course, don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome updates. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.